Welcome to eBiyahe Academy, your one step closer to success.
Operating around 10 years in the Philippines, it is easy to use web-based system, instant booking, single window, easy to operate solution for all travel products and services. We offer also low-cost airlines and full-service carrier. No complicated GDS code to memorize. Yes, it's very simple. Book and buy po tayo. Manage your business anywhere, anytime. Kung ikaw, nasa abroad ka, nanonood ka, pwede mo itong gawing part-time. So, anytime pwede mo magamit. Kahit sabay-sabay pa kayo, pwede mong paggamit sa kamag-anak mo or sa kapatid mo na gusto mong bigyan ng negosyo. Pwede kayong magsabay gumamit na to. And then, use your own business name and logo. So, yes, nakapangalan talaga sa yung system. So, ma-advertise yung sarili mong negosyo. And then, system access 24/7. Wala rin po tayong band, wala po tayong quota, no maintenance, and this is not networking or multi-level market. Used by many travel agencies nationwide. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga services na ino-offer po natin? Airline ticketing, domestic and international. Tour packages, ito yung mga holiday package like 3 days, 2 nights, Bohol, 4 days, 3 nights, Coron, o yung mga 3 days, 2 nights, Hong Kong. This is domestic and international. We have also hotel booking, domestic and international. Ferry ticket book, mobile e-loading. We have Globe, SunSmart, Game, Signals, etc. At marami pang iba. Visa processing, tourists like Dubai visa, Japan visa, okay? Taiwan visa. So, we can assist that. Insurance, which is the travel insurance. Okay? Yan po yung mga services na ino-offer po natin. And, question, where to use our system? First of all, you can use it for your personal use. Of course, kung gusto mo lang din makatipid, kesa naman sa mga travel agency ka pupunta ka pa sa mall, okay? So, mamasahe ka pa. At the same time, meron naman talagang service charge na tinatawag pag nagpapabook ka sa travel agency sa mga mall. Siyempre, kailangan din nilang kumita. So, dito, kung meron ka ng sariling system mo, hindi ka na malalagyan ng service charge. Mas makaka-discount ka, mas makakamura ka. Hindi ka pa namasahe, hindi ka pa nagastusan. Pangalawa, home-based online business. Kung gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng negosyo pero wala ka pang kapital para magtayo ng sariling outlet, so pwede kang mag-home-based online business. Kasi nowadays, usong-uso na yung online. Kasi anywhere, anytime, pwede mong gamitin and hawak mo yung oras mo. Or kahit na meron kang sariling trabaho, pwede mo gawin itong part-time. Pangatlo, add up to your existing business. Yes, kung meron ka na existing internet cafe, sari-sari store, laundry, cafe, clothing store, at kahit ano pang business yan, basta meron kang internet, pwede mo itong idagdag. Correct? And then, pang-apat, travel agency or ticketing outlet. Pwede kang magtayo agad-agad kung meron ka pang puhunan. Okay po? Well, syempre, kung gusto mo magtayo agad ng ticketing outlet, it will cost you a lot. Like, syempre, yung renta, yung pag-renovate ng place, diba? So, kailangan mo rin yun. At kailangan mo rin kumuha ng business permit, yung mga legalities, pag meron ka ng ticketing outlet. Dito kasi sa mga adapt to your existing business, well, kung meron ka ng existing business, malamang meron ka ng business permit. Now, this is the actual system overview. I want to show you the actual portal. So, ito yon. So, in-screenshot ko na lang siya para mas makita nyo na this is the system. Ito yung gagamitin mo na system. So, unang-una, makikita nyo dito sa upper left corner, ito yung logo. So, pag meron ka ng system, magkakaroon ka rin ng sarili mong logo kasi ikaw po yung gagawa at i-upload mo siya dito. Okay? So, marami namang logo makukuha dyan sa mga internet. So, hanap ka lang ng magandang logo na magustuhan mo. And dito, sa upper right corner, makikita mo yung peso sign and yung balance amount. So, nandito yung tinatawag na load wallet or balance amount or load fund. So, pag i-click mo tong peso sign na to, lalabas dito kung magkano yung laman ng load wallet mo. So, now, ito po yung home button. Ito po yung airline services. We have hotel, holiday package or yung tour packages. We have the insurance, travel insurance, ferry, and visa application, and then yung setting natin sa system, and yung log out button. Okay, alam nyo ho ang negosyo, kung gugustuhin mo talagang magnegosyo at kumita, marami pong paraan. Okay? So now, just to show you, paano tayo kikita? Balik ko lang siya. So, pag kinlik mo yung service charge button naman dito, dito mo iseset or ilalagay yung gusto mong komisyon or yung gusto mong income. So, pag kinlik mo yung service charge, ito yung lalabas. So, pag service charge yung kinlik mo, lalabas ito. So, we have domestic. So, pwede kang mag-modify. I-click mo lang yung modify service charge at pwede kang mag-input dito. Ang nilagay ko, 300 for sample lang, child 300, infant 150. But anytime, kung sarili mo lang ibubuk mo, pwede mo yung i-zero. Kung gusto mong taasan yan, depende po sa iyo. And then, kung international naman, click mo lang yung international, and then ang ginawa ko is 500 sa adult, child is 500, infant is 250. Again, it depends on you kung magkano ang gusto mong kitain. Okay? Yung iba, naglalagay sila ng 1,000 for domestic. Sabi ko naman, wag naman siguro masyadong mataas kasi baka hindi ka na magkaroon ng customer. Hindi na babalik sa'yo si customer. Tama po. So now, for example, magbubook ka na kasi meron kang booking. Or gusto mo lang i-check kung ano yung mga airfare, airline na mga promo, kung ano yung mga mura. So, click mo lang yung airline, for example, domestic. So, once na meron tayong one-way and round trip, ito yung next na lalabas sa window mo. Input mo lang yung origin, destination, kung kailan yung gusto mo at pabalik. And then, syempre, kung ilan yung adult, ilan yung pasahero, so pwede kang magpili dyan. And then, automatically, click mo agad yung search button. Wala ka na ibang gagawin. Pagka-search mo, pag-click mo ng search, ito yung lalabas. Okay? So, pag lumabas yan, ang unang-unang nasa taas na to, ang lumabas, ito yung pinakamura. Okay? Actually, madami pa yan dito sa baba para makita nyo yung mga available pa na flights. Okay? So, ngayon, dito mo na ilalagay yung pangalan ni customer, date of birth niya. Kung gusto niya mag-add ng baggage, pwede ka rin mag-add dito ng baggage. Additional po yon. Punta naman tayo sa hotel. So, ito yung mga hotel po na available na area sa atin. Okay? So, sample mo na lang Manila. So, Metro Manila. So, ito yung available. So, para lang din siyang airline. So, you can book it and buy it anytime. So, click mo yung book and automatic lalabas po yan. Okay? So, this is the sample of e-ticket or itinerary receipt. So, ito for PAL, ito, yung ticket mo mismo, magkakaroon ng sariling logo. So, better din mayroon ka talagang logo kasi magandang tingnan. Okay? Professional. So, importante lang naman sa e-ticket or sa itinerary receipt is itong airline PNR. Now, how to earn? Service charge and add up. Doon po tayo kumikita. Sample computation ko po or potential income air tickets. For example, meron kang 2 booking sa isang araw. Ngayon, yung nilagay mo na SC or service charge, yung sinet mo na service charge is 300. So, automatic po yan, per person po yan at per way. So, ngayon, ganito. 300 na po yung SC nyo times 2 person, that is 600 pesos a day. Kasi nga, 2 yung naging client mo at nagpabook sa'yo. Now, let's compute it. 600, ito yung service charge mo, income mo na yan, times 30 days. For example lang, sa isang araw, 2 lang yung nabubook mo. And in 30 days, kumita ka ng how much? It's 18,000 pesos a month. Okay lang ba yon? 18,000 pesos a month? But of course, for me, okay na okay yung 18,000. Why? Kung magkano yung sweldo ngayon ng mga regular employee, diba? Swerte na kung 15,000 pesos. But now, if you want to add up additional 18,000, napakalaking tulong na po yan. Tulad ko, at marami pa akong agents na natulungan at nagbago po yung financiality or financial life po nila through this kind of business. Note, what if more than 2 ang bookings mo? So, pwede ka kumita ng more than 18,000 a month. Yes! Ang dami ko pong top agents, okay? Meron po kaming top performer or top agents po. More than 2 po a day ang nabubook po nila. That's why talagang the life na meron sila po dati is talagang nagbago po talaga. So now, next, sample computation naman sa domestic tour package. Yung kanina sa air ticket, ngayon sa mga tour package naman. Well, sa tour package naman natin, you have agent commission which is 200. For example na lang, again, 2 packs tour package booking lang. For example, Cebu tour yan. So, 200 times 2, dahil 2 packs, ang income mo 200, that is 400. So, ngayon, compute mo ulit, 30 days, okay, meron kang 12,000 a month. Additional ulit yan. Not bad. It's not really a bad money, diba? It's a good income, actually. Example 2, what if kadalasan po talaga, hindi naman 2 lang yung nagtutour. Pag tour talagang maramihan po yan. Sample 10 packs, 10-person tour package booking. 200 times 10, that is 2,000 pesos per day. 2,000 times 30, 60,000 a month. Yung pwede mong kitain. Gets you po? So, what if meron 10 packs or you have international tour packages? More than that. Tama? Ang kinompute ko pa lang po is yung air ticket domestic at saka yung domestic po na tour packages. What if yung iba pa? Sample, ito, income natin, air tickets, so 18,000 a month. And then domestic tour packages, okay, 60,000 a month. So total, in 1 month, doing part-time or meron kang sariling outlet, you can earn 78,000 a month. Well, napakaliit nga lang po ng computation ko. Okay? Dahil karamihan, talaga kung siseryosohin mo yung negosyo na to, mas marami ka pang kikitain.
For more video trainings and information, kindly watch all video posted. Thank you!